I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Vivo X Fold. Actually I have been using this smartphone, this foldable smartphone for almost 1 week. No, sorry. When you are watching this video then it will be like almost 3 weeks. Okay, if you find this video helpful, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Yeah, the like button is over there. Also, if you want to watch more honest review videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. On YouTube, it's totally free. So please subscribe to this channel and support through content. Okay, at the beginning, let's check the specifications of this Vivo X Fold. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, 256 or 512GB UFS 3.1 storage, 8.03-inch 1916 by 2160 LTPO AMOLED panel. Yeah, this is the foldable panel, and there is an external display panel. That one is a 6.53-inch 1080 by 2520 AMOLED panel. Both supports 120Hz refresh rate. Stereo speaker setup, 4600 mAh battery, 66W fast charging. It also supports 50W wireless charging. If you are interested, then yes, a Vivo X Fold also offers 10W reverse wireless charging. I have got the 12 plus 512GB edition. This one costs 9,999 RMB, which is equivalent to 118,000 Indian rupees, 80,600 Philippine peso, 134,000 Bangladeshi taka, 1,420 euros, 22,250,000 Indonesian rupiah. Okay, let's start from unboxing. I have been using this one, so I have already unboxed this one, but let's see what things I have got inside this box and what things you're gonna get inside the box of this Vivo X Fold. I mean, if you're gonna buy one, the packaging, the box, everything is really nice, pretty premium. Actually, this one reminds me how I have unboxed my Oppo Find N. Yeah, Oppo Find N also comes in a similar box and similar type of packaging. Well, after opening the top lid, there goes your Vivo X Fold. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Underneath that, you have to open it from this way. You pull it out. The first thing you notice is, yeah, another box or small envelope. Inside that, here goes your Vivo X Fold VIP card. I mean, you get a VIP card to get a VIP after sales service. There are some paperworks and a SIM ejector tool included inside this. Underneath that, they have provided a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Well, Vivo has decided to go with 2-port charger. This one is a 80W charger. I mean, when you use only one port, it will go up to 80W. But when you are using 2 ports, both the ports together, it can offer 20 plus 60 or 40 plus 40. This charger is built based on GaN technology. So yeah, it's pretty small and not that heavy. I'm a bit disappointed to see that Vivo has provided a very cheap quality wired earbuds. I thought Vivo would provide wireless earbuds because actually Vivo X80 Pro Plus, the set that Vivo has sent me, had wireless earbuds, but not this one, not this time. Well, let's put everything inside the box and let's unwrap our Vivo X Fold. Okay, this is our Vivo X Fold. This is a foldable smartphone, and yeah, definitely this is a premium smartphone. This is the flagship of Vivo X series. This one is built with precision and in hand it gives premium feelings. But the rear design of Vivo X Fold is almost the same as Vivo X Note. If you hold these two smartphones side by side, you will easily notice that other than a few minor changes in design language, it looks pretty similar. Rear camera block, rear camera design, everything is similar. Even the cutouts and the profile sliders, everything looks the same. The rear panel textures and the fillings are the same. The only difference is Vivo X Fold is a foldable smartphone and X Note is a clamshell. On top, there is a secondary noise cancellation microphone, a IR blaster and a speaker cutout. Primary microphone, USB-C port, dual SIM compact SIM tray and bottom firing speaker grill all are located at the bottom. Volume rockers and power button is on the right side. Actually, the profile slider is located on the left side, but when the phone is folded, everything is on the right side. I have tried to compare in-hand feelings and appearance of this Vivo X Fold with Honor Magic V. I think I like Magic V appearance more than Vivo X Fold. Also, Honor Magic V hinge is a bit more strong and feels much more sturdy. Inner display panel selfie camera punch hole of Vivo X Fold is a bit too big and yeah, it looks ugly. On the other hand, Honor Magic V inner display selfie camera punch hole is much more smaller and looks better. Okay, I'm truly addicted to physical profile slider. First on iPhones and then on OnePlus smartphones. Yeah, when I have used this Honor Magic V as my daily drive, I have missed this physical profile slider, but now Vivo has got it covered on their Vivo X Fold. Camera performance of Honor Magic V is better than many other smartphones, but Vivo X Fold belongs to another league. There is no competition. Vivo X Fold camera performance is way better. We will talk about camera performance later in this video. When Vivo X Fold is folded, actually there is no gap between the left and right part. Also, the gap between the hinge is almost 0 degree. Vivo has done an incredible job to do this. Yeah, once you unfold it, you will notice that there is a crease. It really looks ugly, but surprisingly when you touch it, there is 0 bump and you will have to work hard to find that crease. I mean, this is aesthetic, you won't feel it. This is magical. Talking about the display panel, well, the foldable display panel is a 8.03-inch 1916 by 2160 LTPO AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. This one also supports HDR10+. This is one of the best foldable display panels that I have ever used. This one offers snappy and buttery smooth scrolling, colors are vivid and vibrant, black is very dark, white is very bright. I'm convinced this is the best. I have tried to compare Vivo X Fold foldable display panel with Honor Magic V and the differences are truly visible. This AMOLED panel of Vivo X Fold is definitely way better.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.
Okay, we have just checked inner display panel performance. I have compared this Vivo X Fold with Honor Magic V, but what about the external display panel? Yeah, I'm gonna compare this one with Vivo X Note. Vivo X Fold external display panel is a 6.53-inch 1080 by 2520 AMOLED panel and definitely supports 120Hz refresh rate. You check by yourself and listen carefully which smartphone stereo speaker performance is better than the other. Vivo X Fold comes with Origin OS Ocean and Android 12 out of the box. I think Android 12 is the standard for any flagship of 2022. All the standard features are there. It actually is the best OS developed by any BBK Group brand. Trust me, it's more optimized than Oxygen OS. There is a RAM expansion option and you can expand up to 4GB of RAM, which actually allocates a chunk of UFS storage as RAM. I'm happy to see Vivo always offers updates and always provides better optimization through the updates.
To win it life, I never miss that fact, taking big swings.
As this is a foldable smartphone, this one comes with a massive foldable display panel and you can easily use split screen. You can load and play with 2 different applications at the same time. You can even play and watch 2 different videos using 2 different applications. This operating system is super optimized for Vivo X Fold. It's not like Oppo Find N because most of the applications doesn't work well with Oppo Find N foldable display panel.
How's it supposed to feel?
If you want, you can jump from the inner display to the external one, and you can also jump from the external one to the inner display panel without any worry. The process is so seamless and all the applications are well optimized for the process.
Back, they wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact, and I don't feel no shame.
Vivo X Fold has two separate fingerprint sensors. One is sitting underneath the foldable display panel and another is located underneath the external display panel. Both works fine. You can register fingerprints with any of those and it will work without any issues. Also, if you are interested, then yes, Vivo X Fold comes with standard face unlock option. Okay, this is a foldable smartphone and can we play games on this one? Yeah. The external display panel, this one is big enough to play games on this one, but if you want, you can definitely play games using this inner display panel. Let's try to play Real Racing 3 using this external display panel and then we will play Genshin Impact using that internal display panel. Okay, you can see we can play games without any lag and performance of this smartphone is way better than many other 8 Gen 1 based smartphones. This one offers better stability, this one comes with better thermal performance, but I don't think a hardcore gamer should buy this smartphone because this isn't a gaming smartphone.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame.
This used to be a bustling street, but with so many storm terror attacks recently, the usual crowds are nowhere to be seen. Except for the local tavern near the city wall over there. They haven't been affected. If anything, their business is better than ever.
Okay, let's talk about battery and screen on time. This Vivo X Fold comes with a 4600 mAh battery. Considering it's a foldable smartphone, this battery size isn't that good. Yeah, I was expecting at least 5000 mAh battery. Definitely this one supports 66 watt wire charging, but this one also supports 50 watt wireless charging. Yeah, I have also managed to get that 50 watt wireless charger. This is a Vivo Flash Charge wireless charger and this one performs very good with this Vivo X Fold. Inside this wireless charger there is a heavy duty blower and when it's working that blower will run in full speed, and if you're in a silent environment then definitely you will listen to it. I mean, in this studio whenever I use this one I can listen to it clearly. Any part of this studio I can listen to it. It's really a bit loud. Well, if you use the wire charging, I mean that 66 watt charger, then this Vivo X Fold actually gets charged within 40 minutes. Yeah, advertised time or what Vivo claims is 37 minutes, but what I have managed to get is 40 minutes. That's the fastest. Sometimes this even takes 42 minutes to get fully charged, but I think that's okay. Well, what about screen on time? It depends on how much you're gonna use this internal display panel. If you're always on this internal display panel, then screen on time is pretty low. If you're gonna use performance mode, 120Hz refresh rate, then really it's very difficult to get more than 5 hours of screen on time. But if you're always on this external display panel, if you don't unfold this Vivo X Fold, then you will get more than 7 hours of screen on time. Well, we have talked about appearance, build quality, battery performance, gaming, but we haven't checked Antutu benchmark, 3D Mark, the gamers benchmark. I'm gonna run Antutu benchmark on this one, OnePlus 10 Pro and Redmi K50 Pro. Yeah, Redmi K50 Pro comes with Dimensity 9000. Let's see which one has better thermal performance and which one can get to the best peak performance. Okay, at the beginning let me show you that ambient temperature is 27.5 degrees Celsius and all of these three smartphones are fully charged. You can see Vivo X Fold and OnePlus 10 Pro is almost at 37 or 38 degrees Celsius, but Redmi K50 Pro is a bit cooler than these two. Now let's run Antutu benchmark for the first time. Let's see what happens, how much score can we get, and we will run Antutu benchmark back to back 3 times and then we will see whether there is any thermal throttling or not, which one has better stability, which one has better thermal management. Okay, after the first run, Vivo X Fold has managed to score 952,000 while Redmi K50 Pro has got 929,000. OnePlus 10 Pro has managed to score the highest, it has got 962,000. Amazing! Vivo X Note is already doing great. Without wasting any more time, let's run again. Let's see whether there is any thermal throttling or not.
Play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change.
Wow, Vivo has got a delightful score after the second run. Almost no throttling. Who would believe this? Who have ever thought of this result? 935,000 Antutu score after back-to-back running Antutu benchmark. Redmi K50 Pro has actually done magic. It has got 932,000, which clearly shows that it has the best thermal management. What about OnePlus 10 Pro? Well, it has got 899,000. Okay, let's run this Antutu benchmark one more time and let's check the scores. After the third run, Vivo X Fold has throttled a bit. It has now gone down to 900,000, but Redmi K50 Pro is still standing strong. It has scored 916,000. Well, I'm not gonna talk about OnePlus 10 Pro. It definitely has a poor thermal management. Now we are gonna run 3D Mark. At the beginning, let me show you room ambient temperature. It's 26.9 degrees Celsius. I have given enough time to these smartphones after Antutu benchmark so that these phones can get back to normal temperature. This test is truly a nightmare for any smartphone. Vivo X Fold has got 2344 in the first loop and 1859 in loop number 20, which is a good performance considering it's a foldable smartphone. But I am actually speechless after checking the scores of Redmi K50 Pro. It has got 2373 in the first loop and 2279 in 20th loop. Where is throttling? Why isn't it throttling? 96% stability. Unbelievable. Vivo X Fold stability rate is also very good. It has 79.3% stability, which is the best among any foldable smartphones that I have tested. Kudos to Vivo. Vivo X Fold is a foldable and you can use the stock camera application in laptop mode. It's totally functional and you can do anything like you do in usual mode. Being a Vivo flagship, this one also got Zeiss T star-coated lens. Let's check the specifications of Vivo X Fold rear camera setup. 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5 with OIS, 48 megapixel Sony IMX598, 12 megapixel Sony IMX663 and 8 megapixel OmniVision OV08A10. Yeah, that one is also tagged to OIS. I have tried to take photos of Anna with GN5 based smartphones. On the left, that's a Vivo iQOO 9 Pro, and on the right, yeah, that is our Vivo X Fold. You check by yourself and you decide which one has done better. Anyway, I'm working on a detailed camera comparison video between Vivo X Fold and Vivo X Note. Stay tuned to watch that video. Okay, I don't think I have to give any verdict because Vivo X Fold is the best foldable smartphone at this moment. Period. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and support true content.